All right, guys, so this is going to be the housewarming haul. This is going to be the things that I purchased for the housewarming party. If you hear noise in the background, just know my kids are playing, they're running around, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started really quickly of everything that I have purchased or that I've already had on hand. So these here are little wood letters here. And basically these are just going to be going on a picture frame, which y'all probably either have seen or going to see. It's going to go on a picture frame hanging from a piece of rope. I forgot the real name for this. Jupe, is it jupe? Jupe rope, something like that. But anyways, these letters are going to be painted blue, and they're going to be hung from this with some little bitty small tiny clothespins from a empty picture frame. Okay. So this right here I got from Walmart. This was $2. This right here I got from Walmart. It was $2. However, I already had some of these. So if I have enough, I'll probably end up just taking this back. Okay. This is something I already had. I did not know. I went through all of my bags that I have all my, you know, decoration stuff in and project stuff in. So I had this. This goes with my theme. It is a little bit of burlap. And it has some lace in there, and it kind of goes with the theme that I'm doing. So I pulled it out just to see where would I use this. Okay. This here is, again, burlap banner. It's on the same little rope as well, which I can always change out the rope, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. But anyway, I got this from Amazon. It was only, I think, what, $6? And it's burlap banner, and it's by Thanks Tom's, I believe it's called. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do with this, I have some stencils. Where did I put it? Oh, there it goes. These stencils were, I think, $2. I got these from Walmart. I was gonna order on Amazon, but Amazon, it was actually more. Amazon, it was like $6, and this here was $4. So I think I did a really good job on that deal. And so these are just the little stencils, and I'm gonna use my blue paint and put it on here, and I'm gonna hang this here from the fireplace, and it's gonna say Our Story. Check that out, Our Story. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do with this here. The next thing I have is a roll of burlap. This right here I think was about $7 maybe. This was at Walmart, and it's a runner of burlap, and I'm gonna use this on the tables. So I probably do like navy blue tablecloth, and then I'll do this in the middle, and I'm probably gonna do it to 2 tables. And I'm gonna use this table here that I have, but I'm gonna get a silver or a gray tablecloth, and I'm gonna put the cake or cupcakes and cookies and dessert type stuff on this table here because it sits higher. So yeah, it's gonna look really nice. So this right here is gonna go on the long short tables with like the food and the little keepsakes for everyone that came. I'm gonna use that on there. This right here is some ribbon that I had already at home. It's gray or silver, and I can use this, I'm sure, somewhere. So I pulled it out so that way I can remember I had it. No, don't take that, Levi. No, don't take from your brother. Don't throw it, Lenix. Okay, so Levi wants to join me. Levi wants to join me. So anyway, this here is a little ice bucket. No. This is an ice bucket, and I probably, I don't think I'm gonna use it for ice. I don't think I'm gonna have a need for ice. Maybe, no, probably not needed ice. but I probably put 1 bottle of wine, which is one that's blue, so it can match the decor. And I probably just put 1 thing of wine in here just for staging purposes. And you know, maybe we can pop that open at the time of the birthday party type stuff. You know, we'll definitely have some wines just for everyone, you know, to drink, but we'll have one in here for decoration, maybe something like that. This here I got from Dollar Tree. This was $1. What's in it is some little tongs for picking up things for little, you know, food thingies you have. I also got a couple of packs of these little forks here. They're so little, as you can see how little. So they're little bitty ones. Silver plastic forks. No. Silver plastic forks that we'll use for them to pick up their little foods. I'm not gonna do a dinner. I'm gonna do just some finger foods, and I'm gonna do like a, how do you pronounce it? Characteristic board type thing. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically, you know how you do like a cheese tray, or you do a meat tray, crackers, fruit, and stuff like that mixed together. I'm gonna do those. So that's why I got these little forks instead of, you know, big ones. Okay, so moving forward, I got a couple of these pans. Remember my thing, I have silver, I'm gonna have navy blue, and I'm gonna have like wood. Did you hurt yourself? Oh Lord, stop. Leave that alone, Levi. Y'all ain't gonna let mama do nothing, huh? Okay, so Lenix wants to join us now. So I got these little pans here, because like I said, I'm gonna have silver, I'm gonna have blue, navy blue, and also the wood color as the color scheme. And so yeah, so I'm gonna have a couple of these. These were $1, and I got a couple of the rectangle, and they're pretty sturdy. They're really sturdy. So they don't bend. They're really sturdy. It's not the cheap type looking ones, even though they're $1. They're really, see? No. As you can see, they're really sturdy. So, and that goes for these two. These are not the ones you buy from, you know, the store when you get ready to do a barbecue. Them little ones you throw away the next time. So these are actually really sturdy. I may get a few more of these depending on what I need them for. But they were $1 each at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree actually has a whole section of these really nice pans near the wedding aisle. Okay. The next thing I have is this here I got from Ross for $7. So this here is one of the boards I was talking about, where you can, you know, put different types of fruit, cheeses, meats and stuff. You can put that on there and serve it. So I got this here. I also got this board here from Ross. This was $6 as well. Really cheap, really cheap. This one's really cute because it talks about like your entree, barbecue, cocktail, mojitos, all stuff like that, and it's so cute. So on the other side it doesn't have anything, but this side here, again, I can put my meats, some cheeses, some fruits, you know, whatever I want to do on here. Okay, so these are going to be more of my food boards. Okay, that one, this one as well. Now this one here has more of a curved shape. I don't know how to explain it. This right here was from Ross, again, $6. That's what I'm saying. You know, I shop on a budget. I shop cheap. I don't sit here and spend all this money for what? You know, so you spend money to entertain? No. So all this stuff, literally, I haven't even spent probably not even $50 yet, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest, like, this is not even $50 worth. I probably made it to about $30 maybe by now, but that's it. But this right here, I'm gonna put some meats and stuff on too, meats and cheeses and crackers and stuff. So these are all gonna be like my meat, you know, ones. And I'm gonna have these going all along the tables and stuff, along with like the little station for just a drink. And I think I'm gonna do like a tea, different tea. I may do maybe a tea and a lemonade or something like that for those that don't want to drink wine, you know, with their little what you call those, your little you know, bites of food, little food bites, or you know, stuff like that. Finger foods, that's what I'm looking for, finger foods. So anyway, I also got this here. I may end up getting another one. It's only $3 at Walmart. I may get another one here because I'm thinking You know, I can do maybe some salsa on one side, and then maybe some kind of guacamole, something on the other side. You know, just something of that nature where it can go right in the middle, where somebody, you know, they have a little spoon, they can get them some out and put it on their tray. So I think that would be perfect for, you know, the theme. And everything, as you can see, is just wooden, you know, like wood, you know. I want it to be, you know, really flowy and real comfortable, kind of like how I'm doing decorations of the house and stuff. You know, I have a mental theme in my head of what I want. I just got to spend the money. That's it. The next thing I have here, this was from Walmart. This was only $11. This here is a two-tier turntable, and I thought this would be cute for like my so I'm gonna have just one of these plates, like both of these plates, but just one area with maybe some broken up chocolates, you know, the bar chocolates and stuff, you know what I mean? So like a bar of white chocolate, a bar of dark chocolate, stuff like that, and then maybe some blueberries here and there. So it's still gonna have the variety of things, but it's going to be a two-tier, and it gets to spin. You can spin it to get your desserts and stuff, like you know, the chocolates and stuff. So yeah, I thought this was very, very cute. It sits up, and let me show y'all close up. Only 11 at Walmart. Only 11 at Walmart. So yeah, it rotates. It's still a bamboo, easy accessible, and stuff like that. So yeah, I like this a lot. All right, now I think we have one more thing, and that is it. Also, I'm gonna have boxes as my props, and the boxes are gonna say, like, you know, this side up, master bedroom, you know, kitchen. It's gonna have that on there, and I'm gonna have it stacked. So that's where I'm gonna have like my decorative area here on the higher table, on top of the box. Okay, so first, this can here came with a lid, but this can here was only $7. It came from Amazon. Okay, it's only $7, and it's an empty can, and it's silver, of course. And if it wasn't, I'd paint it. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is, here's the lid here, but I don't need the lid. But anyway, I'm going to I'm gonna stage the lid some kind of way. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see if I can kind of show you the reason why I bought the can. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna put like some kind of sticky double-sided tape up here. And I was gonna buy a tablecloth, but guess what? I have curtains that are navy blue that matches, that I remember having, because when we first moved in, my husband found these, and he was like, you know what, these can go in the kitchen for time being, and they match, you know, the kitchen decor. And I was like, yeah, that's fine. And then I remembered, oh, I have blue already. So I'm gonna stuff this in here, like so. It's going to be stacked on top of some boxes, so the box is going to go each way, and I'm going to have it pouring out over this table. Remember, this is going to have a silver tablecloth, and I'm going to have it poured out, and it's going to be just kind of all over the table of whatever sort, you know, running down. See if y'all can see. So it's going to be like kind of running down the way and stuff like that, and basically it's going to be stacked on some, you know, boxes, and basically it looks like, guess what, paint that's coming out the can. Get it, you're moving, you know, it's a housewarming party, you're gonna get the paint spilled, you know, like getting the theme here. So I thought that would be perfect. I thought that would be a good idea. I have two curtains, so that way, guess what, if I wanted to flow both ways, if I wanted to have it flow, you know, keep flowing, have a longer flow, I could do that. Or if I wanted to have it just really short, and I'm gonna have it flowing, and I'm gonna put like the cake or the cupcakes up here, you know, and just kind of stage it as I fix the boxes. Good idea, huh? I know. So anyway, I think that is all that I have got so far. The only thing I have to do now is get the boxes. I'll do another haul later. But the boxes for the keepsakes, the actual key, that's a bottle opener, and the balloons for the garland that I'm gonna have going up the stairs. And also, what else? And just the foods, and I think that is it, actually. You know, I already pretty much did the invitation, which is going to be via Cyber World online. And so yeah, I mean, I can definitely say that this is housewarming on a budget. You know, I didn't want to spend a lot. As y'all know, I'm a stay-at-home mom now, and you know, with one income, you definitely want to be careful of how you spend and what you spend money on. All the boxes that the stuff come in, I've kept. diaper boxes I'm using to do my stacking. You know, I'm pretty sure it's real easy. I can send my husband to the store to get some empty boxes if I need, you know, some, and I'm gonna wrap them up and just put, you know, this side up, you know, make it look really cute, of course. Get some greenery, a couple of fresh flowers. I probably at the day of the party get some fresh flowers, and that's it, y'all. Like, that is it. And that's what I mean by on a budget. The food's not gonna cost much. You gotta think about, it's gonna be finger foods, it's gonna be cheeses you cut up yourself, it's gonna be slices of meat that you just organize, you know. I've already ordered cupcakes, I've already ordered cookies, decorative cookies, I'm gonna say, like, you know, home or whatever the case may be, welcome, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited about it and so forth. So anyway, that is it. And again, once I get more stuff, I'll let y'all know, but so far this is all. So I'll see y'all in the next video on showing y'all how I make the rest of my decorations. This is 2 of the 12-inch cuts, okay? You're then gonna take the other 2 and do the same thing